Find the surface area of y equals square root 4 minus x squared. X is in between a -1 and 1 about the x-axis. The first step to find the area of the surface is to read the problem and determine if you are rotating about the x-axis or y-axis. And we are finding the surface area about the x-axis. Next, determine the correct formula, and that would be S equal the integral from a to b, 2 pi y square root of 1 plus dy dx squared dx. The third step is to find the derivative. We have y equal 4 minus x squared to the 1/2. That's the same thing as y equals square root of 4 minus x squared. And if I take the derivative, dy dx equal, use the chain rule, 1/2 4 minus x squared to the -1/2 times the derivative of what's inside, a -2x. And the 2's cancel, and you're left with a negative x 4 minus x squared to the -1/2. Now substitute into your formula. S equals, bring the 2 pi out since that's a constant, times the integral from -1 to 1 of y, and y is 4 minus x squared to the 1/2 times the square root of 1 plus the derivative, which is -x times 4 minus x squared to the -1/2 squared dx. And you need to simplify this. I'll do one more row of simplification. It's 2 pi between -1 and 1, 4 minus x squared to the 1/2 times the square root of 1 plus, we are squaring the derivative. The derivative consists of 2 factors. So square the -x, and that will give you x squared. And then you are squaring 4 minus x squared to the -1/2. You multiply your exponents, and that gives you 4 minus x squared to the -1/2 times 2 is a -1 dx. Integrate, and you will find your surface area.